Good morning. So today we're going to be working on addition. So that's using the plus sign. This lesson is for people who have not been meeting with me live for math class, okay? So if you have been meeting with me, this is going to be super easy and you already know how to do it. But that's okay if you want some extra practice. Okay, so let's get started. What do you need for this lesson? So you need your addition template. This is what it looks like. You need counters. Today I'm still going to be using pasta. So counters don't have to be anything special. They can be pennies, they can be pencils, they can be dried beans, okay? So, but it is important as a brilliant kindergartner that I have something that I can touch, okay? Okay. So as I get older, I don't need things to touch, but right now I do, and that's awesome. Okay, so before we get started, let's take a look at our learning target for today. So here it is. Okay, so mirrors on. I am learning how to add with answers up to 10. Let's do that one more time. I am learning how to add with answers up to 10. I'd like you to take a moment and practice saying that with me again. I am learning how to add with answers up to 10. Nice job. Thank you. Okay, so how do you know you've got it? I know, I got it, when I can create and solve an equation. Okay, enough of that. Let's get to it. So, give me just a second. I'm going to bring us back together. So, we know that we're working with addition. So, let's take a few moments and really talk about addition. So, with addition, we use a symbol. The symbol is called the plus sign. Okay? So, this is the plus sign. So, mirrors on. Here we go. Plus means putting it together. Your turn. Okay, let's do it again. Plus means putting it together. Okay, I'd like you to take a moment and practice. Teach your sister, teach your mother, teach anyone in your house. What does the plus sign mean? Please go. Remember, plus means putting it together. Please do it again. Plus means putting it together. Nice job. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to bring us down to our template. So here is my template. Okay. So from here you can see my counters. Again, nothing special. It's just there so I can touch because I need to do that as a kindergartner, and that's perfect. That means I'm doing exactly like I'm supposed to do, which is a good feeling. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go ahead and put some counters down. And right now what I want you to do is just watch, okay? So here I'm going to put down some counters. Okay. I'm trying to see what to do with that light over me. It's kind of making it hard to see. Is that any better? I think so. Okay. So you saw me showing you the plus sign. Remember, plus means putting it together. This is that symbol. This symbol tells me that I'm going to take these two numbers and put them together. Okay? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And when I plus, I'm going to put them together. So I'm going to start here and just shoop, So did you see that I took those numbers and put them together? So now I have this amount. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's also something else I want to show you. Down here, I'm going to write the equation. The equation is the number sentence. It's what tells me what I'm doing. So let's make a new one. I'm going to do 5, and I'm going to do however many this is, 3. So here's the next step. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to write down that number, 5. Perfect. Oh, and I see that plus sign. Do you see that right there? Do you see it? So I'm going to carry that down. Okay, then I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as a brilliant kindergartner, I got to learn to read equations. So here it is, 5 plus 3, and here's the next symbol, equals. 5 plus 3 equals. And as I remember, plus means putting it together. So I'm going to come over here, and this is my favorite part. I get to say a funny word. Are you ready? It's called scoosh. Scoosh. Okay, now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. So this is called the equation. Repeat after me. It's equation. Your turn. Nice job, equation. This is the number sentence. So when you write and when you read, you have word sentences. So this is a math sentence. It's a number sentence. But in math, we use a really fancy word, fancy. It's called equation. Say it one more time, equation. Okay, so now let's listen how you read the equation. You would say 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, let's do another one. So if you're curious how I can write on these, I have this in what's called a page protector. You can pick it up anywhere you go. And I put the template inside my page protector and I can write on it. But at home, you can use a pencil paper. If you have a whiteboard, you can get them at the Dollar Tree. You can write on there. It's whatever you have. That's cool. So let's do another one. I'm not even gonna look. I'm gonna drop some counters here. I'm gonna drop some counters here. And I'm gonna look. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna go ahead and write that number down for my equation. Okay. Ooh, and I gotta carry down my symbol, the plus sign. And now I have 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna write that number down, 3. My next symbol is the equal sign. So here, if you can read this equation with me, let's practice. 6 plus 3 equals. Now I got to figure out how much it equals. Get ready, hand up, get ready to scoosh. Scoosh. Okay, perfect. Now let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, let's practice reading this equation. Here we go. 6 plus 3 equals 9. How do you feel about this? Are you feeling good? Feeling kind of, or like getting it at all? No matter what you do, how you get better is you practice. So let's do another one. So I'm going to start again. I'm just going to drop some counters. Oh, I dropped a lot that time. I'm going to drop some more counters. Okay. Ooh, I may have dropped too many counters. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to take a few away. It's just too many. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go ahead and write my equation, or start writing my equation, okay? So 7, I'm going to carry down this symbol, okay? So this symbol here is the plus sign. Let's count this other amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I still have another equation. I'm going to bring that down. Now it's my favorite time. Get your hand up. Get ready to scoosh. Here we go. Scoosh. Perfect. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. So we got 12. So I'm going to write that. And oh my goodness, my learning target only said I'm going up to 10. But I'm so smart, I went up to 12. So let's practice reading this equation. Are you ready? 7 plus 5 equals 12. Nice job. Okay. So now we're going to play a little game. I'm going to put my counters back in here. So this is my egg crate game. It's not a very pretty game. Like, it's messy. But you know what? I don't really care. It's fun. Sometimes life is messy. So on the inside, I see that I have my numbers to 10. Okay? So I'm going to put, I've got 2 pieces of pasta in here. And what I'm going to do is shake, shake, shake. And we're going to see what numbers to add. We may go bigger than 10, but that's okay. Here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Let's see, where did they land? My first number is 1. So I'm going to come here and take a counter, put it here. And now I'm going to start my equation. 1. I'm going to carry down my symbol, plus. Let's look to see, where did the other one go? Right here. What number is that? That's the number 6. So I'm going to take my counters and count out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to write 6 here and carry down my next symbol. So far, let's practice reading this equation. Let's go. 1 plus 6 equals. Are you ready? It's time to scoosh. Scoosh. Now, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Okay, so let's practice reading this equation. 1 plus 6 equals 7. We're going to play the egg crate game one more time, and then it'll be time for you to do your activity on Seesaw. So I'm going to erase my equation. I'm going to get ready to shake, shake, shake one more time. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. We stayed on the same one. I didn't shake hard enough. Okay. Okay. Let's see where it goes now. Okay. My first one is still 1. So I'm going to drop 1 counter. I'm going to write the number 1. Let's see where my other counter went. It went right here to 10. Okay. So now I need to drop 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to write the number 10. Now I want you to use your brilliant kindergartner mind, and something is missing from this equation. Well, I've got my numbers. So math equations, I have numbers and symbols. Oh, I'm missing my symbols. I need to take this plus sign and bring it down, and this equal sign and bring it down. 1 plus 10 equals something. Ready to scoosh? Scoosh, scoosh. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's read this equation. 1 plus 10 equals 11. You guys have worked so hard for me today, and I just want to say thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and clear up my area. Erase my board, put the top on my marker. And now what I want us to do is we're going to take a moment and we're going to go back to our learning target. So today we were learning about how to add with answers up to 10. However, we did go a little bit bigger sometimes. We did go up to 12 at one point, and that's okay because we are brilliant kindergartners. Now, I know, I got it, when you can create, that's when I wrote it down, and solve an equation. So, how did you do? How are you feeling about it? You feeling good? You feeling kind of, or you don't get it at all? Okay, so this is what you need to do. You need to go to your seesaw and do the math seesaw and send it to me or to your teacher. That way I can look at it and see how you're doing. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye.